Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to yet another Foglight assembly.
Because we love these.
We really got all the luck these days. So today we got a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line Black Edition SEL. I don't think that I missed anything else.
I don't think you did either.
Just pretend that it's a Volkswagen version of Koenigsegg. Okay? Unfortunately, 2019, so we've had this car for
2 years.
Year and a half. September will be 2 years.
Okay.
May. Year and a half. We already have a burnt out fog light.
That one's burnt out. That one's not.
I did some research this time. I hope to not have to go back to the Magic parts store again, like we did, was that last week?
With the Miata?
With the Miata. So this is a H8 light bulb. Specifically, according to Napa, it's a BP1235 H8N. Okay, but I think any H8 will work. I also turn 5-ly believe that you can buy like a H6 and an H11 and they're the same thing. Don't quote me on that, but I know for fairly certain that an H8 works. Let's bring them over here, show them what we got. So here's what we're gonna do. We turn the wheel all the way to the right. We're gonna take out 3 of these at least and just stick our hand in there and pull it out.
That's something that sounds like fun.
That sounds like turn 5 to me.
Yeah, complete knowledge, no actual understanding of the cars.
Well, we got a light bulb, we got a car, we got 2 brains that are probably as valuable as 1 brain. I've said a little prayer. I've calmed my spirits.
You need to.
So we have a T25 Torx bit in our screwdriver thing.
Screwdriver thing. We're starting off strong.
Right? I think this should work without having to remove a wheel. Make sure you don't lose those. There's 1.
Too bad it's not like other Volkswagen things to where the screw stays inside of the plastic.
Well, here's what I don't understand. Why don't these car manufacturers, for the fog lights, put an access port in there? We're going to take 1 more off just for funsies, and that's up here. Maybe we're not going to do it because I can't get to it.
So we're not going to. We're going to try it with 3.
All right, so apparently we should be able to pull this like this. See how easy that is?
Looks real professional
Look at
right
this.
there.
Here's the fog light. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can.
So super easy so far. Can you get in there? I feel like this is going to be one of our best how-to videos. We're going to turn this a quarter, well, like a little bit to the left. I think.
This is going really swell.
It is. I can see the light moving.
So
all right.
Let's shine a flashlight in there real quick so we can guarantee they know what we're looking at.
You know what we're going to do first? We're going to take that off. Okay, so here's a little clip. You really just pull down like that. And now you can pull the light out. So take the clip off first.
So the light was in that hole?
Yeah, this is going to be the best video Turn 5 has ever done. Well, mechanically speaking.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I got it.
Good job.
No littering.
Look at us. Or loitering. Both bad depending on where you are.
Yes.
I'm excited about this job.
It's the first one that's going seamlessly.
So that's an H8. This is an H8. 35 watt, 35 watt, 12 volts. This one's Germany. Korea.
Which one has the better product?
Okay, so you're going to grab your light. Try not to touch the actual lamp. We're going to stick it back in. Eventually we want this to be sitting like this. So we're going to start like that and we're going to twist it back to the right. Can you see in there? There it goes in. There. Snap down. Nice and tight. This we're just gonna plug back in. There it is. Let's turn on the accessory before we
bolt it up and see if it lights up.
Is it on?
1, 2. Yeah!
Look at us. I'm not gonna get quite as excited because this is just what we do. At turn 5, we fix lights.
I think that's the only thing we're competent enough to do.
All right, I'm gonna turn off the accessory. I'm super pumped about that though.
And now we just have to rebolt it up.
Now what you're gonna wanna do, because this is obviously here to protect the inside of your car. So you wanna get it back in this channel. It's pliable without being pliable. There we go, see that? Now we're gonna start from the top, I think. Put it right back in that hole. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 1.
Yeah, this was super easy.
So if you have a
And with the help of our Turn 5 video, you can do it at home too.
It's a do-it-yourself project brought to you by Turn 5. All right, if you have a 2018 and up.
And this will irritate me, so I'm gonna push that and then it's flush.
We're good. 2018 and up, Tiguan, that is how you change the bulb. Super easy.
Yeah.
All right, let's not break this bulb in between our awkward high five. Thank you all for tuning in. This is a short one. Enjoy it, subscribe it, like it, share it.
Punch them.
Punch them, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.